17th Rabi'ul Akhir, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Dulha Shah Bukhari Sabzwari Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Dulha Shah Bukhari Sabzwari Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was born in Bukhara, Uzbekistan. The aim and motto of his life was to spread Islam, preach the Deen, and to raise the slogan of truth. He continued serving the people by guiding them towards the right path. He benefited a large number of people. Thousands of people embraced Islam through his preachings. Several seekers of divine knowledge received training from him. Jami' Masjid Haydari, which is situated just by his holy shrine, reminds us of his religious contributions. Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Dulha Shah Bukhari Sabzwari Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 17th of Rabi'ul Akhir in 701 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Babul Medina, Karachi, Karadar, Pakistan, and is a source of blessings and acceptance of supplications for its visitors from every class of society. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।